And I'd be like, why? See. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Zykeria and I am back with another video, and as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my makeup routine. And it's really simple, really easy. You don't really need that much product. So like if you're somebody that's like really like cautious about your skin and like have sensitive skin and stuff, and you don't really like want to put that much product on your face because you break out easily, or like you just want to keep it simple, you want the right video, because that's me too. So yeah, let's just get right into it.
And I use brown because one thing about me, y'all, I hate black eyebrows. Like, it's so weird to me. Like, my hair is not jet black. Like, nothing. Like, I mean, other than like my eyelashes and stuff, my hair isn't jet black. And like on my face, I don't like stuff that's jet black. It just throws off the whole thing. So I use brown, like a dark brown. It just works for me. I don't know, but like some people are like that. But I know for a fact I'm like that. I just can't stand black eyebrows. It's ugly to me. So I use brown, and it's, yeah, it works. It's cute to me. I would like to get to know. And I'm doing this without touching my eyebrows into shape. So like if you're somebody that's like scared of like touching your eyebrows or whatever, like how I used to be, you can just like do what I'm doing. And the result is still the same.
And y'all, when I'm doing my eyebrows, I never really like fill in the tip of my eyebrow, because I like the little like natural look of it. So like I just like blend it out with the rest of what I did, just so that like it'll look natural. Because when people like make it like a brick, like that throws me all the way off. Like, I'm sorry y'all, but like no, it just don't. But I'm about to do the same thing to the other side, so like. And y'all, if you're like me, a girl that's not really like into makeup like that, like don't really like know everything other people might know and all that other stuff, then it's fine, because I'm not either. So now, y'all, I'm just gonna go in and do highlight. You can do any contour palette or whatever that you want or whatever, and today I have this one, and I use medium to dark. So you just go based off your skin tone, and yeah. And y'all, please don't get on me about what brush I use and all that stuff, because I'm still learning. So don't be in the comments talking about something why she using a eyeshadow brush for highlight and all that stuff, and I'm just gonna be like, well, I told you I'm learning. I don't know why I do that, y'all. I don't know why I don't do highlight last, because I gotta go back and do my lip anyway, and have to end up having to do it again. But yeah, story of Zykeria. Always being slow. Always. So now I'm gonna do my lashes.
And let me just tell y'all something, y'all. Don't let nobody tell y'all I can't reuse lashes, okay? All you gotta do is just peel off the glue that you had on it the first time you wore them, or the second time you wore them, it don't matter. Just peel off the glue that you wore before you try to put them on again, or whatever. So they won't kind of look, so that it don't really be heavy on your eyes, and so they won't look like that. And just to be clean, y'all, just, yeah. Get them off. And yeah, I'm gonna keep reusing lashes until the lashes fall apart. That's just what I do. That's just how I do it. And I'm not ashamed either, because ain't nothing wrong with them, as long as they look good.
So before I put my lashes on, I always do mascara. My mascara. I always go up. Make sure you get every little itty bitty lash, but the one that's closest to your eye, you ain't gotta worry about that. But yeah, I ain't touching it. Y'all, please don't mind the kids in the background. As I said before, I got siblings. And ta-da! Yeah, y'all. And so the lashes, I'm gonna take my hair store hair glue and glue these lashes on. Because guess what? It's okay. Y'all, this sometimes my lash don't be wanting to like go down sometimes. And I just be like, why? See. Now I'm going to do my lips. So you can take any liner. Again, I use brown because black, y'all don't get me started. Black liner is so ugly to me. Like when you try to do like a simple lip combo, like it's just not it to me personally. And I just spread it out like that. And then I take my glittery lip gloss and my pinkish lip gloss and combine it. And now y'all, you're gonna take your setting spray. Again, any setting spray, just use what you have because it doesn't matter. And you're just gonna And guys, there you have it. A simple little makeup look. Every day, it doesn't really matter. You want to go out, look, do this, party, do this, friends, do this, lunch, do this. Like, it really doesn't really matter. Like, it's a all-purpose makeup look. And this is what I really do. This is really all I do, y'all. Like, it's really that simple. And it's cute, y'all. It's like really, really cute. Like, for real. So, yeah. So, y'all, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys like the final look. And I hope that this video was helpful for people that are beginners. Some people that like simple looks like this. I hope I give you guys some ideas to, you know, well, for your makeup. And yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.